Mariel, do you have another example of a UI UX improvement that we've made to a product?
Yeah, so I worked on a mobile app redesign that the customer's goal was focused on increasing signups and usage of their product. And after the redesign, the user base grew by 50%, and that was in 2018 to 2019. And the same client had the chance to work with them again, redesigning their web homepage and sign up flows, the different services they offer. They saw another increase after that redesign of their user base of 130%. And
Wow.
not only that, the consistent usage of their product has seen an increase of 50% each year since the initial redesign in 2018. So not only
Wow.
did more people sign up, but they've seen a consistent increase in the actual usage of their product since then too.
Wow.
So it's people coming
Wow.
back. Yeah.
Oh, that's huge. So why would that be? I mean, was it just people are like on their way to sign up and they're like, "Oh, this is a bad experience, never mind." But now that
Yeah.
they've got the better experience, they're going forward.
Sometimes it's just as simple as like making it really easy for them to do so. So I think in this instance, the call to actions just weren't clear. The
Hmm.
users weren't really told, hey, sign up here. And then if they did find out where to sign up, maybe they weren't sure about like what the benefits, what they would get if they signed
Mm.
up. And maybe there was just a lot of fields that were like, why do I need to put my billing address in here? I don't understand. Just like making sure that what we were asking people to do was like actually providing value for them and communicating to them what they would be benefited by signing up and the product. So could be a lot of different things, but
Yeah.
I think that's the example that comes to mind for
So
me.
you're not just moving fields around or changing the font
No,
or whatever. I mean, you're like deciding, hey, is this relevant to this process?
right.
Is this helping us do business? Is this helping our customers? Do they perceive value in this way that we're collecting and when we're collecting things? Because if we
Mhm.
don't do it in that right order, then you're not going to get the 50% improvement in signups.